All right, number 21, we're going to put y into y equals 4 log x. Graph it to see what you're looking for. And okay, so when you graph that, it's interesting. So we're going to get some points. So I'm going to go to the table to get the points. And you have, let's see, at 0 you have an error. So you don't even have a point there. So we're going to have to start at 1 and you have 0. And then we'll do 4. At 4, it's going to be about a half. And then I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. At 8, it's 1.7. So nothing at 0, you have 1, 0, 4, 2, 3, 4. It's going to be at about a half, somewhere in there. And at 8, it's going to be almost 2. So your graph is going to look something like this. Okay, but you remember where and that's going to be a growth. The y-intercept is when x is 0, you have an error, so there is none. Sorry, your y-intercept. Your asymptote, it never crosses y equals 0, but it's not an asymptote because it doesn't keep getting closer and closer to it, so that's going to be none as well. It just doesn't continue on. Number 22, let's put that in the calculator. And that's going to be 1/3 log, except you have to go to math, scroll up to log base, and you put the base in there. You can do alpha y equals and put 1/2. And inside the parentheses is an x. So when we graph that, there's no place for points, so I'm going to make a place. And let's get some points. Go to the table. At 0, you have an error again, so that tells you that there's not going to be a y-intercept. At 1, you have 0, and at 4, you have -2/3, and at 8, you have -1. Okay, so nothing at 0, 1, 0, we're going to start there. 4, 2, 3, 4. -2/3, and at 8 it's going to be -1. It's not going to go down very much at all. It's going to start coming like that and go somewhat like that. Okay, is there an asymptote? No. Is it a growth or a decay? Do you see that it's getting lower and lower and lower? That is a decay. And that is everything. Good luck on your test tomorrow. Study.